Hey everybody, it's PBS, and I'm Panda, and Pink Eye, and this is PBS and his friends. Hey guys, what's up? It is season 40, episode 34. 35 will be tomorrow morning. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Let's get on with it. Hey guys, what's up? Not much. Well guys, we got a snowstorm on our way from 12 to 3, which is so horrifying, but at least we need snow this year, just like last year. And we've been back to watching Lego effects for the last year. Yep. Yeah, I just can't believe that we made it to 800 subscribers on this brand new channel that we've had since December 2nd of 2023. And, it's very cool, actually. Yep. It's amazing. Yeah, I can't wait to hit up to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 subscribers if we ever get up to that. But we got our from section back, and we're very, very lucky that we've had that back. And, it's great. It's just amazing. Yeah, this is our 34th episode. Season 40. Yep. Season 41 will be coming soon. Yep. Exactly. It's coming real soon. Yep, it is. Yeah, I can't wait for season 41. Can't wait. Yep. I see you little program who gets to the funny curse and everything else. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye. We love the many ways over here. We like the many ways over here. We love to have you. We love to have you. We like to learn and educate and all that. I like to be your friend. You give me one, two.
This program was funded in part by a Ready to Learn, No Child Left Behind grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Say attacked. A ceasefire is being negotiated. Avoid escalation. Avoid escalation. Avoid escalation. Oceanic appeal. An extreme weather warning is in effect. Trust that the steward has a plan. Better times lie ahead.
I answer to Varang.
You will be the one to finish Sotlek.
But we will have this so-called dog-tagged warrior.
Oh, come on.
Sarentu.
Is my name too hard? Come on, I'll race you.
We did not expect to see your trade so soon.
Our journey here was not easy. A darkness moves at the forest's edge.
The RDA have new allies, Sotlek.
It has been many years, warrior. Do you remember me? And I have not forgotten what I owe you.
Just you and me now, Sotlek. And I see you.
Give me the fight! I am out! Watch me cut every one of you.